TechnoSociety. Using watermarks to protect your work. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Adobe Photoshop. Click on the Adobe Photoshop icon on your desktop to open the program. Step 2. Create a new file. Click on File, New. Shortcut, Ctrl-N, to open a new file. Set your new file with these specifications. Width, 1400 pixels. Height, 900 pixels. Resolution 300 pixels/inch. Step 3. Putting your name. Watermarks usually include your name, your website's name, or your group's name, whichever is appropriate. For this activity, put your name. Email address is optional. Choose a font face that will be easily seen when you place your watermark on top of your artwork. You can mix and match fonts as well. Step 4. Add embellishments. This may be an optional step, but putting embellishments enhances the look of your watermark and gives it a personal touch. You can find some special brushes in Adobe Photoshop which you can use. Click on B for brush, then select some brush presets from the top portion of your screen. A small window will appear showing you the available special brushes you can use. Select a brush. Adjust the size of the brush to your liking. Step 5. Delete the white background layer. Delete the layer with the white background by selecting the layer you want to delete and clicking on the Delete button found at the bottom part of your layer window. Step 6. Trimming. Once the white layer is deleted, all your elements are set with no background. Select Image. Trim. Trimming will remove all the excess space from your stage. A trim window will appear. Select Transparent Pixels. Click OK. Step 7. Saving your watermark. Save your work as a .png file by selecting File Save As. Shift-Ctrl-S. Watermark.png. Be sure to select PNG as your file type. A small window will appear, PNG options. Select None for interlace, then click OK. Step 8. Opening your artwork file. The watermark is often used whenever you want to post your visual works online. So the artwork you're going to put a watermark on should have a digital copy. You can scan it or photograph it. Once you have a digital copy, open it through Adobe Photoshop. Select File. Open. Select the folder and file of your artwork. Then, click on Open. Step 9. Drag your watermark onto your file. Once you have your artwork open, drag your watermark file onto the stage where the artwork is. It will automatically add a new layer on top of your open file. Place the file by pressing Enter. Step 10. Changing the watermark's opacity. Most watermarks are translucent, and that's what we'll need to do here. To change the watermark's opacity, go to the opacity section of your layer window. You can choose to type in 50% or select opacity, then a slider will appear. You can adjust the opacity using that slider. Set your opacity to 50%. Step 11. Changing the watermark's color. Most watermarks are in grayscale, but how about if you want the watermark to be a little lighter than the one you have? Since our picture is in black and white, we can have our watermark in a lighter color, such as white, to make it more noticeable. Select the layer where your watermark is. Click on the Layer Style button found at the bottom part of your screen. Select Color Overlay. The Layer Style window appears straight to the Color Overlay section. You can change the details pertaining to color overlay here. Select the color white from the color palette. Click OK. Step 12. Other watermarking options. Once you're done with your watermark, you can have the option of putting diagonal lines across the page. The opacity of these lines are set to 20%. You can make the lines using brush B or the pen tool P. Finished. And you're done. Save your work by selecting File. Save or Ctrl+S. Also save your work as a .psd file so you'll be able to remove or edit the watermark if you need to.